Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change multiple file extensions in Windows 11. In here, I have those two images. Let me show the extension first. So you can go to View, Show, and here tap on File Name Extension. You can see that the current file is GPG and I want to change it into PNG, but all at once. So if you have more than two files that you want to change, you can do it efficiently. So what you need to do is just click on this file dictionary and then just delete all of them and type in CMD to go to the command prompt and then click on enter. So the command prompt will be open, and in here this is the file path or dictionary. Now you can just type on this to change the file. So just type in run and then space and then click on and star, can it here dot. So change the current file format is GPG. So I'm going to go write GPG space again, star and then dot and PNG. So I'm going to change it into PNG, and after that you can click on enter on your keyboard. And as you guys can see here, the file will be changed automatically into PNG. So that's pretty easy. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks.